On a rainy day, the sky gets dark and raindrops fall from the clouds. The raindrops are like tears of happiness. The rain makes everything look clean and fresh, and the air smells nice and earthy. It gives us a break from the heat of the sun and makes the temperature cooler. You can hear the soft sound of raindrops on windows and roofs. It's a good time to stay inside, get cozy with a warm blanket, and listen to the calming sound of rain. Some people like to watch the rain from their windows, while others enjoy going outside with colorful umbrellas and raincoats. Children laugh and jump in the water. It is also a perfect time to enjoy a hot cup of tea or hot chocolate. We also watch a movie with our family. The rain helps plants and flowers grow, making the world more colorful and green. But be careful on rainy days because the ground can be slippery and the roads may be dangerous to drive on. So stay safe while enjoying the beauty and refreshment of a rainy day.